as you probably read by the title, in today's video, we'll be using math to celebrate the New Year's. Now, how exactly we'll be using math to celebrate the New Year's? Well, we'll be doing that through solving an integral from 0 to 2, right? This integral will be of 20 times x to the 9th power. Let me write that 9 a bit better. 9 power minus 6 times the square root of x squared plus 2x plus 1. Alright? So, in order to do this, we have to take the integral of 20x times x to the 20 times x to the 9th power first. But before we get into it, you're probably thinking, this guy is such a nerd. Well, you're not wrong about that. Anyway, so when we take the integral of 20 times x to the 9th power, we get 2 times x to the 10th power minus the integral of from 0 to 2, from 20 times x to the 10th power from 0 to 2, since it's a definite integral, minus the integral from 0 to 2 of square root of x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, as you can see here, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square, which means we can just write it like this. So, what does that mean? Well, when we take the square root of, a perfect square, we just get x plus 1. Alright? So when we do this, right, what is 2 times x to the 10th power evaluated to? Well, 2 to the 10th power is what? 124, right? Times 2 will give you, right here, will give you what? 2048. So, this whole thing will be 2048 minus 6 times the integral from 0 to 2, okay, of x plus 1. So you see here, right, that if you just kind of use your head and think about how we can kind of cancel out this square root sign over here, then you can really simplify it down to x plus 1, right? So now, the integral of x plus 1, well, that's easy. It's just, this is going to be 6 times 1/2 x squared plus x from 0 to 2. Okay? Now, 1/2 times 2 squared is what? Well, 2. Plus 2 is just 4. Alright, and then minus 0 is just 0. Sorry, minus 0 is just 4. Because, right, we're going to have... So 4 minus 0 is just 4. And that's what I mean by what I'm trying to say. So we're going to have this 1/2 times 2 to the 2nd power plus 2 minus 1/2 times 0 plus 0, right? So all this is going to be equal to, so it's going to be 4 divided by 2 is just 2, so then this 4. Alright, that's how I'm getting 4. So when we do this, right, we're going to have 2048 minus 6 times 4 is equal to 2048 minus 24, which is going to be equal to 2024. Now, as you can see here, Happy New Year.